Welcome back to Hyderabad once again. So it's going to be the big final now. Telugu Warriors versus Kerala Strikers.
And with me, of course, here for the toss, I have the captains of the two teams. First and foremost, to my left is the captain of the Telugu Warriors, Akhil, their vice captain, Tarun, and of course, from the Kerala Strikers. Both these teams, remember, have an unbeaten record. Bala, the captain of the Kerala Strikers, along. There you go. It's going to be Bala's call. Mr. Aziz, on the toss. Heads is the call. Tails is what's fallen on the denomination. So, you've got the home team, Telugu Warriors, who win the toss. Akhil, what are you going to do?
We're very happily going to bowl first. We've been a very comfortable chasing team, so all the best to you guys. Let's have a great
Well,
All right, the Telugu Warriors have won the toss and have decided to field first like they did in the previous match that they played. And these are the teams that will be coming to this. Well, what becomes of this? Well, he's walking back and that's the first breakthrough. Shots खेलने होंगे. आखिरी गेंद और ये कोशिश करी पंच करने की पॉइंट की तरफ और crosses the boundary for welcome run. माफी चाहूंगा. और ये बड़ा शॉट खेलने की कोशिश कहां तक पहुंचती है और crosses the boundary.
देखिए यहाँ तारीफ कर दी. कई बार कमेंटेटर
That this will be the over and that's a big shot and it's punched away and it'll cross the boundary for a big six. So back-to-back sixes coming. Wickets is what is going to get them across to a good total and that's plucked away again and it will cross the rope for another six. Oh ho ho, 20 runs coming so far from this over in 5 balls and Sachin Joshi will not be a happy man.
Bulldozer's got. And this is stumping chance, gone a begging. Qayyum,
win the championship again. That's the one from Arun. He missed it. And the fielder doesn't miss it. That's the celebration from Telugu Warriors.
Outside edge, and that's going to be 4. Third man was up. These are valuable runs, whichever way they come by. सुन लिया आपको ये कहते हुए ये लीजिए हिसाब बराबर.
ये हमेशा कमेंटेटर्स का तरस होता है.
सुन लिया लेकिन बाउंड्री राइडर है. Well taken, beautiful catch by the captain. Akhil, you are a superstar. Oh, he's gone for it. Has he got it enough? Yes, he's got enough on it. In the gap as well. That's 4.
From Rajiv. I'm sure he'll get another boundary there. Yes, Rajiv.
Oh, that's hit towards the heavens, but it's not got distance on it. It's going to be taken.
That's a good one. Can he get a boundary there?
Oh, they want another run here. It's going to be a run out. Doesn't matter. They were looking for an extra run there. Managed to get 2. It's a target of 85 now for the Telugu Warriors. Still be happy that he's restricted the Kerala Strikers. Look at the bowling card for the Telugu Warriors. Wickets for Prince.
And captain Akhil Akineni are in the middle out there and we'll see that this total is reached winning effort and that's why he's here today. And the third ball struck down the offside, will not be intercepted and he's going to run for the boundary. And this is turning out to be a good over and it does cross the boundary line. Very good shot, very good time. Well, he's hit that big and will it cross the park? Well, that's a big one. Ends the over with a sixer. Very good start for the Telugu Warriors. And after the end of the first over, it's 11 runs for the loss of no wicket.
Very true. Akhil, the proceedings. Timed nicely. Will he get a boundary? Yes. That's the one Sachin is looking for. Can he? Boundary.
One more ball remaining in the power play. They perhaps want to end it with a bang. 7 runs have gone off this over. Well, that's a wicket that's gone, an important wicket at that. Sachin Joshi trying to hit that one big. And a good comeback from Shafiq. And the Kerala Strikers get their first breakthrough. And after 3 overs, it's 25 for the loss of 1 wicket.
At the crease. Akhil has different plans. He's dispatched that. That's going to be 6 in any stadium in India.
इस बार ग्लाइड किया, काफी फाइन खेला, तेज आउटफील्ड है और 4 रन और मिलेंगे। महंगा ओवर साबित होता हुआ 40 पे 1।
बाउंड्री राइडर्स ऑन साइड पर, ये लीजिए, इसी की बात कर रहा था मैं। फाइन लेग ऊपर है, कुछ भी डालेंगे डाउन लेग, कीपर मिस करेगा, रन होंगे 5 वाइड। ये लीजिए,
बहुत बड़े सितारे।
चिरंजीव, सुपरस्टार ऑफ दिस सदर्न फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, साथ में विष्णु इंदूरी, उनकी दाईं तरफ, बाईं तरफ मिस्टर राजकुमार कोहना थे। केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के एक और चौका इस बीच प्रिंस के बल्ले से निकलता हुआ। अब 50 का आंकड़ा।
बढ़िया ड्राइव और लीजिए एक और चौका। बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी, कोई मौका नहीं। ये लीजिए, इनका जवाब देखिए, आज रुकने वाले नहीं है, आज बुलेट ट्रेन में सवार हैं। बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी। ये लीजिए, खिलाड़ी डीप में पर मात्र दर्शक, एक और छक्का। आज रुकने वाले नहीं है, रन बहुत तेज से। अगर आप तेलुगु वॉरियर्स के समर्थक हैं और लीजिए सफलता मिलती हुई, तो अंत था, अपना अर्धशतक पूरा नहीं कर पाए, पर काफी देर हो गई, काफी देर हो गई। बेहतरीन पारी 46 रनों की, 74 पे 2। बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस, पूरी तरह से डोमिनेट किया, प्रेशर आने नहीं दिया। और अगर आप देखें अखिल की जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है बहुत महत्वपूर्ण, 46 रन केवल 22 गेंदों में। प्रिंस ने भी अच्छा कार्य किया, नवाद रहे 18 रन बना के, और अश्विन 9 रन केवल 4 गेंदों में। सचिन जल्दी आउट हो गए, 87 पे 2 केवल 7.3 ओवर में, और एक सफलता मिली शफीक को और एक विनीश को। पर आप काफी जो गेंदबाज है उनको देखें तो काफी महंगे साबित हुए।
Absolutely, Kerala strikers, they didn't pick up wickets in the early doors. That's the reason Akhil dominated this finals. You can look at that along with Prince. Gave a good, solid partnership. Only the miss out was Sachin Joshi.
जी हाँ बिल्कुल, और अगर आप देखें 8 विकेट से मुकाबला जीत लिया। फिलहाल लेते हैं ब्रेक, बहुत जल्दी वापस आएंगे एक छोटी सी ब्रेक के बाद।